go. Welcome back, guys. We're now up to doing drawing number 3. So again, we're going to start off the same way. Go up to the top left hand corner, go new, metric, standard part, create. That doesn't change. We're going to go up to the top left hand corner again and select our sketch. We're going to select our drawing plane, in this case XY plane, as we have done in the previous two. Again, I'm going to draw my rectangle. I'm going to select the center, click, open it up, and go 30, tab 20, enter. Go up to the right hand side over to my viewing cube, click on the front, can see that I've got a 30 by 20. Finish my sketch. Scroll to the left hand side for extrude. Set my distance at 50 millimeters and go OK. Going back over to my viewing cube on the right hand side here and click on the top corner. So there we go. Nothing's changed from drawing 1 and drawing 2. We did the same thing. This is drawing 3. But now we're going to do almost the same as what we did in drawing 1, which is take a 10 by 10 chunk out of here, but instead of going all the way along, we're going to go a certain distance. So just like we did in drawing 1, I'm going to go sketch in the top left hand corner, come down and select the end of it, and I've got to make sure I get the right end of it this time. So I need to rotate around so that my cube is facing the same way as it is on my drawing block box, and I'm going to draw it on this face. Remember, when I'm on the face, it'll be have a white border. Click on it, go to project geometry, that's up in the middle of the ribbon at the top, select the face, and I've got to think about what side, and I want to draw the cube on this corner here. So I'm going to get my rectangle tool, that's up in the top left again. I'm going to locate my corner, same way as I did in drawing 1 and drawing 2. Click on the corner when it turns green, 10, tab 10, enter. Got my cube done. Finish my sketch. Now what I have to do is project this back. So we go to extrude. That is up in the top left hand corner again. Extrude. Choosing the second option. That's the cut option. And we're going to choose distance. And this time the distance, according to our drawing, is 20 millimeters. So instead of going all the way through, it's going to stop and just at 20 millimeters. Again, select the square, and you can see it should give you an indication of what it looks like. Check your drawing number 3 on your page. So check drawing number 3. Make sure that it's the same. Looks the same. If it looks the same, go OK. And then File, Save As, Drawing 3. Save. And that's it. That's the first 3 drawings done. When we come back, I'm going to show you a different technique for doing drawings 4, 5, and 6. But you can use any technique you like to do drawings 4, 5, and 6, but I'm going to show you a new technique for people who think a little bit differently. Till then, guys, cheers. Bye.